Michigan Metal Coating Company provides license plate coatings that is primarily used in automotive applications for corrosion protection and friction control. And our keys to success have been the automation that we've been able to implement in the coating process here over the last decade. For us in the Detroit area, automation is a big part of most of the manufacturing processes in the area. So there's a large group of talent that has experience in it. Quite a few of the educational systems in the area are geared towards supporting that type of high-tech robotic and automation that's needed in the industry.
In this area, Detroit being the automotive hub, we're in driving distance from all the OEMs. With that being said, the tier ones are very close by. So for us on the serviceability, when we can provide a solution through our technology, through our partnerships, through our equipment, that's driving us to be as successful as we are, to having our name be one of the leaders currently for zinc flake coating.
The nice thing about the Detroit area is we have 140 active direct customers, and we're fortunate that our technology applies both to traditional ICE vehicles and EV market that's growing quickly. Obviously, the industry is trying to accommodate the new EV technology. There is a heavy amount of engineering and research being done in the area. So being in the Detroit area gives you access to a lot of that technology that's being developed.
Our location being so close to the border with Canada has helped strategically with some of our foreign customers. Our turnaround rate is 4.2 days. That's from when we receive parts to when we ship them back to customers. Because of raw material shortages and just delays, that's something that customers really are paying attention to, and being able to provide that turnaround really helps in us being awarded business.